The corpse of an elderly person was recovered from the paddy field. Incident took place in Ganganagar, Kamalpur. As per the latest report, police are yet to identify the deceased person. According to the incident report on Monday morning, a corpse of an elderly person was recovered in a paddy field at Ganganagar village. The villagers informed about the incident to the police. However, police are yet to find the mystery of that incident. Later, the corpse was taken to Vimal Singh Memorial Hospital for the postmortem.
কি দেখতে পেলেন?
আচ্ছা, আমরা অ্যাজ পার ইনফরমেশন মলয়া এবং গঙ্গানগর আন্ডার কমলপুর পিএস এর মাঝখানে ফিল্ডের মাঝখানে একটি আননোন ডেড বডি, পসিবলি মেল আননোন ডেড বডি, পসিবল এজ 50+ একটা পাওয়া গেছে। এন্ড এখন আন্ডার ইনভেস্টিগেশন, কোনো কিছু পেলে আমরা জানাবো।
As per the latest report, police are yet to identify the deceased person. There was an intense situation in the village over this incident. Police are now investigating the incident. Reported by Biplab from Chini, Khorang.